Hello. Hi.
Good evening, Palak.
Good evening.
You have been nominated today, yeah? किस कैटेगरी में?
मुझे फेस ऑफ द कॉज के लिए नॉमिनेट किया गया है।
काफी विभिन्न लोगों के साथ में आपको नॉमिनेट किया गया है, काफी मतलब गर्व की बात है आपके लिए?
मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल बात है क्योंकि आज मैं अपनी सिंगिंग के लिए नॉमिनेटेड नहीं हुई हूँ, आज मैं अपनी सोशल कॉज के लिए नॉमिनेट हुई हूँ एंड इट फील्स ग्रेट टू बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय फेमिना एंड लॉरियल।
आप बचपन से बच्चों के लिए मतलब अभी भी मतलब काफी जब से आपने शुरुआत की तब से आप लोगों के हृदय के परिवर्तन और उसके बीमारियों से जुड़ी बीमारियों के लिए काम करते, कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? मैं
एक्चुअली हार्ट पेशेंट्स के लिए गाती हूँ और मुझे ये मिशन चलाते हुए 14 साल हो गए हैं और अभी तक 624 बच्चों के ऑपरेशंस हो गए हैं और 3.15 करोड़ डोनेट हो गए हैं एंड मैं हमेशा से बोलती रहती हूँ कि मुझसे अच्छा बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं बट हमेशा से मुझे सबसे एक एक्स्ट्रा प्यार, एक्स्ट्रा सपोर्ट मिल रहा है क्योंकि मेरे साथ एक मिशन जुड़ा हुआ है।
आगे का क्या भविष्य के लिए क्या सोचा है आपने?
मैंने अभी 124 सॉन्ग्स रिकॉर्ड कर लिया आशिकी 2 के बाद, तो उसका फ़ायदा मेरे मिशन में भी हो रहा है। जहाँ पहले मैं 3 घंटे गाती थी, एक बच्चे का ऑपरेशन करवा पाती थी, आजकल मुझे एक ही शो से 5-6 बच्चों का डोनेशन मिल जाता है। सो
since you are a singer, so we would like you to dedicate a song to all your fans and the people who you want to convey your message.
Okay, so I would sing my song from Ashiki 2. हम तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो। Thank you.
Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
But we are missing your mom and brother.
I've come with 3 beautiful ladies, my dadi, my mommy and my cousin. And my brother is having his premiere tonight. He's given music in Dish Kyao, so he's there. And my mama is with him. So.
Thank you so much.
Chalo, bye.
Could you tell us which category you have been nominated?
I've been nominated for the business and entrepreneurship category. I'm nominated for that category.
What these awards matter to you? How important are these for you?
I think this is a great platform for people to be showcased here, and people who are working very hard in many areas and people don't know how they're working. So this platform recognizes those nominees and celebrates womenhood today. So I think it's a great feeling.
You belong to business category, but do you think like the political scene in India, the women are given equally the opportunity by the political parties to contest the elections?
Yeah, I definitely feel women should be given more equal opportunity, and yes, in our country, I think at this point we need more women leaders. See, how did I get into business is because I was given equal opportunity by my parents, and that is the reason why I am here today. If my father differentiated between his son and me, I would not be standing here. It is because of their thinking and because of their doing that I'm standing here today. So the same way, it starts from your own home. So once that, when you look at it in a broad perspective, politically we definitely need more women leaders, and we must have, because it's very important for this country right now.
Do you think the political parties should be more giving in this terms, like they should give more tickets?
Yes, of course, women should get more tickets. I think we were fighting for that 33%. That's still not come through. I think it should be 50-50. Why not? It should become 50% women and 50% men. How are we lacking? We're not lacking in any area. We are shoulder to shoulder with men today. So if we can do both the jobs well. We can take care of home as well, and we can take care of our outside profession also. Thank you.
In which category you have been nominated today?
Face of a cause, apparently.
Could you just elaborate on your this nomination and your cause?
Yeah. So I work for an organization called Unlimited India, and we support startup social entrepreneurs in the country. So that's why. Yeah.
Do you think like even in the since the election is around the corner and the total nation is in the mood of election, the women have been given equal opportunity as far as contesting the election is concerned?
I think in some cities, yes, but I think the total number of women could definitely be increased in the elections, definitely. Not just in BJP and Congress, but also in the Aam Aadmi Party. I would love to see more women contest for elections. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm coming back.
Are we doing solo interviews or what?
It's a very stunning, very delicate dress. It is by Cavalli, Roberto Cavalli, an Italian designer. हम लोग इस sort of material से पनीर बनाते हैं ना, मसलिन क्लॉथ के साथ, मलमल के साथ. वहाँ इटली में ड्रेसेस बनते हैं इसके साथ.
Tell us something about that also.
The show, yes, me and Neil are hosting this show together, and we're very excited. It's the first time I've ever hosted a show, so थोड़ी nervous भी हूँ, but ठीक है, देखते हैं कैसा चलेगा.
इस समय जो सिनेरियो चल रहा है पॉलिटिकल, आपकी क्या उम्मीदें हैं और क्या कहना चाहिए फैन से वोट करने के लिए?
बस ये मैं नहीं बता सकती हूँ कि आप किसके लिए वोट करो, बट एक ऑप्शन भी है to vote for none of the above. So if you don't want to vote for any of the parties, please vote for none of the above.
And कल के क्या कहना चाहेंगे all the women जो across all the achievers के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? What would you like to say about all the women?
I mean, I've already obviously read the script, and so I know all the nominees, and they are absolutely amazing women who've done incredible feats, and I'm just proud to be part of this and to at least meet them in person and to represent them tonight.
कल की ये जो women security के ऊपर जो बातें हो रही हैं उनके ऊपर आपका क्या कहना है? What do you think about it?
It's a huge issue, and I think there's a lot of solutions, but not so many of them are short-term solutions. Short-term solutions are fast-tracking in the justice system, so that certain issues about women and crimes against women are taken in quick action. And then obviously on a long-term basis we need to educate people better, educate our men better in order to treat our women better, and that starts from a very early age and in all our schools. Yeah.
Women have power of 49. आपको लगता है कि if women go out and vote, they can change something in this election?
Absolutely. I think we are half the population, so it's very important that women vote as well. Thank you. Where should I go there?